Hi, lovely people. Welcome back to Elizabeth Healthy Plate, where we cook simple, nutritious meal with the love and flavor. Today, we are making a wholesome vegetable rice in a pot. It's colorful, tasty, and perfect for family lunch or dinner. Let's get started. Once hot, add your chopped onions and Now it's time for flavor. Add your beef masala, paprika, black pepper, turmeric, and a bit of salt. Stir and let the spices toast slightly. This really brings out the aroma. Next, add in your already boiled minji, that's green peas. Mix it well so it soaks all those lovely spices. Add your washed rice, mix it all together so the rice is coated with all that goodness. Add enough water, about 4 cups of 2 cups of rice. Cover it, reduce the heat, and let it cook for around 20 minutes. And just like that, your vegetable rice is ready. Fluffy, colorful, and full of flavor. I served mine with some sweet melon and a little leftover vegetable dish from yesterday. It's delicious, filling, and zero waste. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What's your favorite way to make vegetable rice? Let me know in the comment. Until next time, stay healthy, stay creative, and keep cooking with love.